Hey everyone! I recently got my hands on the Sonos Ace wireless over-ear headphones, and I wanted to share my thoughts. These headphones come with noise cancellation and promise a great listening experience. Here's what I think after using them for a while. From the moment I put on the Sonos Ace headphones, the sound quality blew me away. The highs are clear, the mids rich, and the bass deep. The active noise cancellation, ANC, is a game changer, effectively blocking out background noise whether I'm on a flight or in a busy cafe. Comfort is another strong point. The soft ear cushions and adjustable headband mean I can wear them for hours without any discomfort. The battery life is impressive too, lasting up to 30 hours with ANC on, so I don't need to recharge them often. Connecting the headphones to my devices was super easy with Bluetooth 5.0. The connection is stable, and switching between my phone and laptop is seamless. The touch controls are intuitive, letting me adjust the volume, skip tracks, and answer calls without reaching for my phone. Plus, they look sleek and stylish with their modern black design. However, there are a few downsides. These headphones are on the pricey side, which might be a deal breaker for some. They are also a bit bulky, which might not be ideal for those looking for a more compact design. The ANC slightly alters the audio profile, which audiophiles might notice. The Sonos app offers limited customization options for the sound profile, which could be disappointing if you like to fine-tune your audio. Lastly, there's no 3.5mm audio jack, so you can only use them wirelessly, which might be inconvenient if the battery runs out. Overall, I'm really happy with the Sonos Ace wireless over-ear headphones. They deliver amazing sound quality, effective noise cancellation, and are super comfortable. While they're a bit pricey and bulky, the performance makes them worth it. If you're looking for premium headphones and don't mind the investment, I'd definitely recommend giving these a try.